Good morning, good evening, good whatever that is. It's a long time no see. Well, we are back, right? We are back with a bang. I just saw that the USD is still trending higher, and I tried to buy this yesterday. I didn't get an entry, but then this morning I was like, maybe I should, but I never looked at it. So I'm like, for show, it goes higher, and sure, dude. Sure, dude, Kathmandu, do. Yeah. Shorting euro. Sure. Enjoy that, right? Um, we had a pullback. First. I said, well, that can be a higher high, and I want a much deeper pullback. Did I get that? No, I didn't. That don't do. So I am more like, well, it is what it is, I guess. Um, okay, so we will continue around the world. Euro yen is killing you. It killed me too. I have officially given up on euro yen. Whatever euro yen does until it trends. The same thing with pound yen. Whenever it does, until it doesn't, it didn't do. I thought it was going to be a reversal. We got a 182, 85, 87, and then it fell down. I'm like, okay. CAD yen is at 109.25, so that's around the area I want to start looking to buy. And then Aussie yen is just says adios amigos, buenos. Yeah, I will show it to you. So if the internet does fall out, I do apologize for that. So Aussie yen, we had a RBA meeting this morning, which came out with nothing new apparently. Aussie dollar fell, which is kind of normally what kind of happens. Um, yeah, where is it? Where is it? Yeah, okay, whatever. Where is it? It is from this morning, so it's somewhere under pressure, looking down on me under pressure. Um, this is just technicals. Okay. Nothing new. Remain on the sideline, although likelihood might just be done with the rate hikes already, and at best, they still have one more to go. But even so, that doesn't change the fact that rate differentials are going to continue to favor the dollar, and what more with the balance of risk sentiment. So it still says Australian dollar down, which, in all fairness, is a breakout of the range. Do I like breakout of ranges? No, I don't. I have no business doing here. It's 200 pips down. Fine. What you're supposed to be focusing on now is, does this make a local pullback, new lower low, and then comes back up again? The only problem with that theory, which I have diligently mentioned a couple of times, is that we are close to week monthly target already. Though because last month was a range, we're already at the target. So what generally tends to do out of ranges is that ranges does get broken and then they come back up again. That is just a general. I don't know if it's going to happen in this case, but I'm just saying, like, this doesn't interest me. This is not nicht gut, madame, senor, senorita. Yeah. Okay. So Australian dollar, Japanese yen, Mr. Cohen, is down, rightfully so. It is currently around or below M2, as far as I know. Yeah, it's a bit below M2. So right now you just need to look for a reversal. I don't think you can get it, but yeah, we can look at something like that. But it's still I can't do. I can't do. So okay, yeah. I can see you, Roxy. I see you. I see you have a lot of requests today. Euro yen might have a reversal here, for that matter. Short term, but longer term, all the other terms, it's a dead fish right now. Okay, dead fish. Fishy, something is fishy. We have, I don't know, you have to reset euro yen somehow by some way. Hi, Richard. Hope you're doing well. Yeah. And then we can do gold. You want to buy it? No bueno. That doesn't work, madam. It's not even reversed. Like, it should take you. How much is that reversal? A couple of days. Right now, you just have a pullback. Double bottom, higher high, higher low. So maybe on Friday. Yeah, Yen is a factory reset, to be honest. Yeah. I don't know what else I can do with it. Okay, where is the vibrant, happy Ivan, huh? So, I have clear rules of clear things I want to find. I want to look for reversal. I want to look for trend continuations. And right now, I don't have anything of that in my direction, to be honest. The only thing I do is use the yen, which smack. I didn't buy. Maybe it can come back down again today. But that's definitely a smack in the face. Monthly, we're just rising. Weekly, sorry, we're just rising. Monthly, we're just rising. And then on the day, it's probably like a good M2 entry or something. Yeah. Of course it is. Of course it is. Of course it's a good center pivot M2 entry. So right now gold is far away from big bot. Anything, anywhere, in any direction. Of course you can buy going lower. That's called selling. But yeah. Okay. Let me go back to what I wanted to talk about. Which is S&P 500. Okay. So let me just take a reality check here. Okay, reality check. What is currently going on here? Is this what I wanted? Is this what I wanted to see? What's the deal here? Are we in a less fortunate situation? Or is this normal? What is it really? If you look back to last year, where Friday was the bottom, Sunday was then, Monday morning was the peak. Tuesday by 11, we should be around here. The only problem we have here so far is we haven't made a lower low yet. And if you went to the dark index, when the dark forces is with you, you can see that the dark forces are buying S&P 500. They are gone from 45% to 49%. The dark forces are those large corporations that is not able to trade on the open market because I will move the market too much. Aka Oil Fund of Norway. And they have tried to buy that bottom. They also tried to buy that bottom up there, but that didn't go well, so they went out. So right now we're just trying to do what they do, and then we'll see if we all agree with each other and everyone else. Buying lower low called selling. Yeah, it's gonna be English. English is gonna be fun today. What is that site? That site is squeezemetrics.com. That's what you pay me for, Ari. Secondly, thirdly, we have been pricing in the no rate hike in the 1st of November, and we have been pricing in so far maybe one rate hike in December. Maybe it's I don't know. Yeah, probably. Where's my brain going? My brain. Back to charts. So my analysis is still higher. My analysis says we are still very early. My analysis says that it's normal. What is your long-term view on U.S. markets? My long-term view on U.S. markets are quite dim. They're not fantastic, not great. Yes, we've got a PMI, ISM manufacturing and ISM services, which is great. That is a good thing for the upcoming weeks and everything. So we see if we could find it for you. Should we say filter medium America is there as a manufacturing only, sorry. And it came in at 5.1 versus for the 8.5 last time. Which is great. I love that. And then the other problem is Swiss C has a lower than expected CPI. Okay. So for me, that is kind of what I wanted to see. I didn't see anything particularly from Sir Powell yesterday, though. But my longer term view is we are still struggling. My view is that there is going to be different things, there's going to be different indicators pointing in different ways, but we need to have CPI coming lower. How is that going to happen? Is that going to happen in a fashion that we like and we prefer? Probably not. Are we going to crash? Are we going to go black swan? Are we going to do all the doomsday prepper things? No, I don't think so at all. I think that we are okay. We're probably going to break the low on 42,000, but that doesn't stop the overall trend, or doesn't stop the overall consumers to start buying and start using money again in December and November, December, which is going to be priced in from now. So to me, it's kind of like, well, yeah, I'm still mildly bullish on it, seasonality wise, until December, and then everything crash in January, for that matter. What is your analysis on CAD yen monthly, weekly, daily, 4 hour? Okay, that's very specific. One, I'm almost never on weekly because I already see what I see in daily. It's bullish, cool. Has a bit of a pullback, maybe peaking a bit. Then a new higher high. Daily definitely has support here. And I don't like the way it's coming down because it's supposed to go up from here. That's the aggressive, at least. But what we are currently looking at is probably something like this is about to develop again, which takes us down to 108. And we're currently 109.31, which to me is that's a good place to be, I would argue. It's just that it's essential. And this other level that I was talking about is monthly M2. So I wanted to go from here, and if not, up from 108.33. I saw you. Just because I don't say it right away doesn't mean that I don't see it. Tell us stories about trading psychology. Those will be going those will be coming throughout this live. I will just okay. So because there is a lesson to learn here, and it is the S&P 500, or yen pair for that matter. But it's, we are here, right? We are supposed to bounce off this 142.60 level. 66, we bounced off 42.60 yesterday, and we are back down to the same level again. What do you do here? Do you now just say adios amigos, I'm out of it? Do you say, well, that looks okay, and I think it's going to drop all the way down to 42.40, and if it comes down to 42.40, are you still going to hold? The weak ones will be like, oh, that's too much, I can't do it. But I'm practicing the trading psychology I want you guys to have in the now. It is currently a very dangerous situation. Oh, we are about to make a lunar alarm. Okay. That is one way to look at it. Or it's just that you tried to buy here, you tried to buy here, and you have two orders on, and that's that. And then if we make a higher high, good, we can continue buying. But right now we're making losses, we're making lows, we're not making a profit here. Sure, cool. Doesn't matter to me at all. My psychology towards trading has strengthened so hard, says my mentorship student, Mr. Ari. Because it's like, what are you gonna do about it, right? What are you gonna do about it? Let's say you're a dollar. Let's say that Mr. Ari, he is such a good trader, he took a sell this morning or yesterday morning. He took a sell here, and he's waiting for a sell here for today. And then if it goes lower, he will sell there tomorrow. Is his psychology good or is it bad? He's very aggressive, by the way. He's very aggressive in his trading, right? But what about this peak here? Should he be trading this one? Because that's the reaction of that high there. That should be the best price, right? Right? And in my trading, no, it doesn't. In my trading, we need much deeper reversals on the 4-hour or higher time frame to really reset the market. This is just because if you look up here, for example, this is a pullback at 90 pips. Was a pullback again. This scan is 100, 79, 180, 130. And the pullback today this morning is 27. It is not enough, because if you then trade 20 and you get 100 pip pullback, do you survive it? Are you at your best? Are you at the peak? Are you at your... Do you trade your best? No. Richard says, if euro continues to fall, I will probably continue buying it. Yeah, I would agree to that. Well, I'm just gonna edit that in. Maybe that is somewhere there. Is that the same link? Yeah, it's the same link. Okay. So if you guys are interested in joining Discord, the link is actually active. I have actually reset my links because scammers was coming in and trying to take people's money, and which they almost got someone to send $500, which is a good job on that part, but it was still the wrong IVNFX. So that's why you will probably find links that doesn't work. The new ones are on the new videos. But okay, let's take a walk. I said on Monday, maybe Sunday, that I think this one's going to rise from 95.53. Okay, we have now passed M2. Is this a failed trading plan? Is this a failed trade? What is your opinion about ICT? Was this cool? I have not studied it, other than I have seen people making trading signals out of them. I've seen them becoming very popular. I've seen them being in the space. And I wish them all the best, all luck. If they make money, good, good, good. Nothing is better. Could make me happier. But I am not trading them. I haven't seen them. I don't have any scandals on them or anything. I've just seen that people tried to trade it and they become very popular, and then totally up to them. But what I want to say here is here is a low and here is a low, and now we have broken it. Then we have the RBA today, which makes it push a bit lower. I am just going to say that for Aussie yen in particularly, I'm just waiting on a lower time frame to buy it again. So if we get a reversal, so what I will do on a reversal, which I wanted to be right now, is hence the video topic. You see a double bottom, higher high, higher low, or even all the way back down here again. That means I will buy 94.72 and 95 and then see if we go back up again. That also means that the 55.21 is going to cross over, which is this one here, before I go bullish again. Just to make sure that if it continues to fall, it continues to fall, and then that fall happens, and that I don't go into the drain of it. Same thing with CAD yen. Just wait for a reversal. Just small things, nothing great, nothing in particularly, before buying more. Pound yen made a new lower low now, dead as a fish. New Zealand yen, same category, same what do you call it in English? Same category, waiting for higher high, higher low, which can also just be a pullback to sell up here, by the way. There's no guarantee of anything. It's just that right now we have a very deep pullback, which I am not expecting. Because last year around this time, maybe we had a deep pullback last year. I'm going to double check that. Because it was around 3rd of October, we did some. Okay. Because we haven't had this yet. Oh, wait, where's my mouse? We haven't had this yet this year, which makes me worried, right? And 3rd, we should be trying to go higher, then low around 10th, and then go up to 22nd. So 22nd is my peak. It's just depending on how does it happen. Does New Zealand yen go all the way down here before it reverses, kind of a thing, or is it going to stop here? That's what I'm trying to. I'm not avoiding, but I'm cautious about it. All right, cool. So Euro, Aussie yen, Euro yen, we all pound yen, whatever. We all have very deep. Oh, I shouldn't have done that actually. Watch lists. This one. So we don't really have very. We have a very deep pullback at the moment, which is all fine, fair, and games, right? We had a very quick rise and we have a very quick fall. That is all fair and game. Now, in your psychology, in your trading, in your beliefs, in your whatever, once you see a bottom, once you believe it's going to be a bottom, it will take it a day, right? From here to here, it took 1 day. From here to here, it took 20 hours. Okay, that's a bit short. Okay, cool. From here to here, it took 3 days, right? It's not done in a day. So if we then now makes a higher high, we go above 94.95. Do you think that's going to happen in the next 2 hours? No, it's not. It is going to be very soon. But in the other reference, if this USD yen thing comes down again, by any means like this, or even on Friday, it becomes like a great pullback on NFP. Woo! Catch the pullback, catch the pullback, catch the pullback, catch the pullback. How do you do it? Well, you look for a reversal if it falls, because right now it's so elevated that even can touch this guy. Okay. Let me go back to where I wanted to go through. Aussie yen reversal, waiting for a reversal. CAD yen waiting for a reversal. Swiss yen waiting for a reversal. Pound yen waiting for a reversal. New Zealand yen waiting for a reversal. USD yen waiting for pullbacks. Okay. What else? What else is there to say here? I am in losses across the board on yen pairs. There's no hiding in that department. I am currently relatively at least, relatively break even on S&P 500. My entry is there like a paper trading thing here that I put on here? Yeah, I did. I put that one. Okay. So I put an entry here and I put an entry here. As always 42.66, I think. Somewhere in that direction. And currently this is $250 in loss on a paper. It's just to illustrate what I'm doing on my trading account because Blueberry doesn't have a public one on TradingView. It doesn't have access to that. So I am waiting for that to happen. And currently it looks like it's going to make a new lower low. Okay. Talk to me about it. Maybe Joel's in for 2 hours is going to help me. But it doesn't really matter. It doesn't really matter. Because your job... Okay, this annoys me, but because I can't say like I wasn't here. But I was honestly believing that this would act as resistance. And then dollar just increased. And I wasn't a part of it. This is what I call limiting mindsets. And I am part of it. I am a part of it. Okay? I don't always look at the opportunities equally. And I should have got it. Should have taken it. I said by the beginning of the week, dollar bullish. Dollar bullish happened. And then why didn't you take it? Because I'm on yen pairs. Because I really didn't believe that it would happen. I believed that this might lead to more losses. Limiting beliefs. I believe that this is what's going to hold to go bearish. I didn't sell, didn't act upon it. I just wasn't ready. I said here, don't trade this high. And if you are a different trader than I did, probably could have taken it. But right now, we are very bullish. We are very high. And the monthly target is 108.29, which is just another 100 pips up. And it looks like the greatest bullish uptrend in history. And how much you would take out of it? Nothing. Nothing at all. My bad. But that is the downside of limiting beliefs. The other thing that you need to remind yourself of, when you're trading, you are wrong sometimes, or maybe most times. But just don't make it catastrophically horrible when you're wrong. I'm wrong about this, but I haven't lost anything on it. And this can, as I said, go up to 108.30. When I say that, and when I look at the pullbacks it makes, Why don't you take it? Why are you not in a position to trade it? Why are you not doing it? When you now see, because this is, what do you call it in English? This is now, we already know the answer. What if it was lower? I was right. It's all about the trade plan. It's all about what you do versus what you plan to do versus what actually happens. And what actually happens is most times or sometimes different from what your plan is. And what your plan is really to buy a dollar, I will probably have bought it already. But deep in my heart, deep in my trading, it wasn't on my plate. I was on yen pairs. I was on S&P 500. I was on gold. At least thinking about it, right? So I would say that okay, I didn't look at it. I didn't trade it because I didn't really plan it out. If you go and look at the plans I posted for this week, where is it? Trades. What trades plans have I posted about? I posted about Aussie yen, CAD yen, Euro yen, Pound yen, New Zealand yen, USD yen, which actually is much higher now. It didn't really come down even. And S&P 500, which my plan is to, and then Nasdaq 14,950. If we go to Nasdaq, I said we should come back down there. Okay. But what about wrong? What about trading Nasdaq? Um, do, 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 do. TP. Modify. Where is stop loss actually? Stop loss is 14,450. Squishy. Squishy, 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 squishy. How on earth was that even possible? Okay, let me do it again then. Close position. Okay, let's go again. Buy. Stop loss. 1. Maybe 1 unit. And then price should then be 14,440. That should be 1%. Should be 1 unit. Take profit should be 15,550. Fine. Much better. 3 units, $1,000. Okay. Okay, cool. Right? I just bought it. Why did I just buy it? Why didn't I just wait until it's down here where my stop loss is? Why didn't I wait until 1450? Why did I do here? Because generally, this is a place where I make money. I don't know if I'm going to do it in this case, but this is a reversal to me, right? Could probably have gotten a much better price here. And then I should probably also put, oops, where is trade? Buy limit there. Where's the limit order going to be? 45 and 9. Stop loss 0.5. Take profit. What was the take profit again? 15, 55. 0. Something in that direction at least. Right? And I'm cool. Hi, Money. Like, I don't know if your brain is there. I don't know if your mentality is there. But this is how effortless and difficult trading is. Just gonna double check. Yeah. So, yeah, that's my plans. Buying S&P, buying Nasdaq, looking to buy some yen pairs. Oh, okay. Waiting for them to turn around, and that's that. Nothing great, nothing small, nothing big, just there. And I wouldn't buy USD right now. Which is probably going to make me profit anyways. Probably going to be profitable anyways. But I just know there's a deeper, better pullback. Any other pairs you want me to cover? I've been here for 36 minutes. That's good enough for me. Wait for gold to turn around. Oil. Wait for gold oil to turn around bullishly. Euro New Zealand. Okay. Is this supposed to be bullish in September, October? Where is you? Supposed to fall. Okay. But it already fell. So done. Okay. Already fell. So maybe bullish. So where do you then expect to be buying? You expect to be buying at 77, 76, 66? Or there. Off the side. Those are the two projected buy prices that you have. Give or take tomorrow. That is not today. That is for tomorrow. And then we shall see if it works. It is 400 bars, 700 pips down. Okay, cool. That's all. EU, already done EU many times. EU is oversold, wants a much deeper pullback. Don't know where you want the pullback to go to, but it is very much an oversold thing. I freak out. It should have been a central pivot up here, but I haven't traded this anything. I haven't traded this profitably that I've tried lately, but it's not really in my areas. I want it deeper. I want higher. I want much deeper than the market is giving me. Now that is the question: are you going to go with the market or going with what you think is going to believe it's going to happen? Well, you have to go with what you think is going to happen, because if you just trade by what market does right now and think, oh, this is a pullback, you're going to lose a lot of money one anytime soon. Short on New Zealand, yeah, okay. That means that you're going to make money. Congratulations, sir. All right, that's enough for me. Live trading, tried to live trade, couldn't find any trades. Updated, well, sorry, did find a trade on Nasdaq, sorry. Bought Nasdaq at 14,700 and something else, and then a limit order at 14,600. Other than that, have a great day. See you soon. Boom. I love you.